Metros get instant delivery in 10 minutes, but the rest of India left behind. Small town Bharat needs e-commerce built for its kitchens, its regional languages, and its trust. This is a $500 billion opportunity. 60% of India's population lives in the next 400 towns. This 32 lakh crore market, growing at 14% annually, is where India's future consumption is being written. But traditional e-commerce built massive centralized warehouses, optimized for electronics, fashion, and accessories. Serving groceries, fresh produce, and frozen essentials is a completely different supply chain. These networks were never built for it. Fresh vegetables spoil in transit, frozen goods need cold chains that don't exist. Seasonal produce must be sourced locally, not shipped from a central hub 2 states away. Quick commerce dark stores work in metro neighborhoods but fail completely in small town Bharat. When Bengal needs mustard oil, Kerala demands coconut oil, and Tamil Nadu runs on groundnut oil, centralized supply chains fall short. Both have spent and continue to spend billions on consumer acquisition, fighting each other for the same urban wallet, outbidding each other on discounts, and burning cash on performance marketing. Their customer acquisition cost keeps rising with every passing quarter. The local kirana, sourcing fresh from nearby farms and stocking daily, is the only infrastructure that can power the small town kitchen. Now contrast this. One neighborhood kirana, 300 households. By name, no ads, no discounts. The customer acquisition cost? Already paid. In trust. The retailer didn't spend a rupee on ads. That trust took decades to build. No platform can buy it. This is a structural mismatch, not a technology gap. Enter Stoking. 12 million kirana stores. Every pin code, every neighborhood. The backbone of how India shops, eats, and lives. No logistics giant can replace them because trust, credit, and community cannot be warehoused. Stoking takes this deep institutional knowledge and builds an asset-light orchestration layer on top of it. In 5 minutes, any traditional shop is upgraded to the Stoking Retail OS and becomes a bright store. And with that upgrade, all 300 households this retailer already knows by name can now go online. Known families, known needs, zero acquisition cost. Instantly digital. This connected retail OS runs on 3 core pillars. First, smart supply chain. Stoking is building India's biggest asset-light marketplace for FMCG and daily essentials. Over 1 million sellers from north to south, east to west list their products on the platform. They ship to strategically placed distribution centers. From there, Stoking's AI-powered orchestration layer kicks in, routing the right products to the right retailers at the right time. No owned trucks, no owned warehouses. Pure intelligent logistics orchestration. This is exactly what the big e-commerce platforms built for electronics and fashion. Stoking has built it for the products that every Indian household needs every single day. Second, smart management. A digital command center giving retailers custom catalogs from 100,000 products, flexible pricing with clear margin visibility, pay later customer credit, and automated GST billing. And third, the online store. Retailers launch custom digital storefronts instantly using their mobile number. Neighborhood customers order via WhatsApp, QR codes, or the Stoking Club app, earning King coins as rewards. As a bright store, the retailer becomes an efficient mini distribution center, delivering groceries and essentials in under 60 minutes. Over time, they expand into high-margin categories like pharmacy, baby care, and home improvement. A digital app can offer a discount. It cannot offer trust built over 20 years. This is where the Stoking flywheel truly begins. When brands understand small-town consumption through Stoking's data, NBFCs and banks can underwrite it. Credit flows, not to anonymous urban wallets, but to known families with known purchase histories from trusted stores. India's first grocery credit card, powered by Stoking. Small-town consumers buy daily essentials today, pay later. Not just retail, a financial flywheel powering a new consumption economy for Bharat. For FMCG and D2C brands, this means immediate shelf space across 20,000 stores and real families, not anonymous clicks. Empowering one retailer instantly unlocks 300 known households. Today, 20,000 Bright stores across 1,500 towns in South India serve 4.4 million households. Over the next 12 months, this scales to 100,000 stores on our path to a network of 250,000. Imagine a small town consumer ordering fresh staples, medicines, and baby care from a merchant they have trusted for years, delivered to their kitchen in under an hour. Stoking is building the new age e-commerce for small town India, not by replacing the kirana, but by making it the most powerful node in a modern digital supply chain. The consumer gets everything they need in their town, in their language, delivered in under an hour. Their neighborhood becomes as efficient as any metro. This is not the future of Bharat. It is already happening, one neighborhood at a time.